Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show how to create a EC2 Windows in AWS. First of all, we have to go to our AWS console. From here, we have to click the EC2 or you can search the services here. Right? So I'm go to EC2. Now, here is my EC2 console. Here, you have to click launch instance. You can find here or you can click the instance starting, then you can click here. So I click launch instances. First of all, you have to click put a name. You put Windows VM. Now from here you have to choose Windows AMI. Now from here you can choose your desired images. And then I'll go for Windows Server 2022. Now just choose a instance type. For free tier you have to use T2 micro, or else if you can afford cost, then you can choose some higher instances. Like I choose T2 large, which I get 2% CPU and 8 GB memory. Then let's create a key pair, or you can choose existing key pair. Here I have no key pair, then I need to create one. I choose Windows key. Now here is only one algorithm available, which is RSA. Then I choose .bem file format, then create key pair. Now for the first time you have to download the key pair and save to in a secure place. The second time you can download the key file again. In the now network setting, yeah, you have to choose your VPC. Click edit. You can choose your default VPC. Then subnet preference, I'm going to keep to no preference, or you can choose your available any available subnet. So I give it no preference. Then we need a public IP for RDP. That's why I keep the public IP enable. Now the security group, we can choose the security group for existing default, or you can choose specific for the VM. So I create a new one, Windows AG, and we can give the same name for description. Now for inbound rules, we are going to allow the RDP port, which is, and the source which anywhere. So we from any IP in the world can access the VM using RDP, right? So now here is our default storage, 30 GB. I'm choosing GP3, which is more upgrade one. Then I'm choose for default storage is 60 GB. Then I keep the all other options at default. I'm not go through these options in this video. So now here is the summary. That is, our OS is Windows Server 2022. Then our machine type is T2 large. We are going to create a new security group and our volume size is 60 gig. So click launch instance. Wait for time. It takes 2 to 3 minutes for the running state. Now that it is pending, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to become available for using. Now our machine still is running. Now let's connect using RDP. We connect and download the RDP file. Paste to it in a folder you want. Now click the RDP file. Click connect. Here your here your default username is administrator. So I give you the this username is automatically taken administrator. Then the password you have to click password, and for password you have to upload the private key, then which is you downloaded recently. So click upload and show the file. Where is the file? Is your desktop? Okay. Let upload. Click desktop. AWS DevOps Lab. Here is the Windows keypem. Decrypt password. Here is the password. Paste it. Click remember me and click OK. Click yes. And here is your Windows machine is running, right? You can access it through RDP. So here is the machine here, Windows machine. Okay, here is your Windows machine, right? Thanks for watching.